So today I'm making cucumber sandwiches for afternoon tea that I'm actually serving for dinner. But to start, I'm going to be using 4 slices of white bread, maybe a tablespoon, a little less, of fresh lemon zest. I will be using some whipped cream cheese. Here I have some softened butter, and this is unsalted. Fresh dill, and an English cucumber. So for the whipped cream cheese, I'm going to add the zest of 1 large lemon. It's not quite a tablespoon, it's more like 2 teaspoons, maybe a little less. And now just give it a mix. Okay, so here I have my 2 slices of white bread. To one side, I'm going to add softened butter. This is unsalted butter. If you want salted butter, that works. And now I'm just going to spread it evenly over the slice of bread. Now I'm going to spread my whipped cream cheese with lemon zest onto the other slice. Oops. And this is why, if you're working with just the solid block of cream cheese, you'll want to soften it and maybe mix it and whip it around just to make it easier to spread. And again, the amount is up to you. If you want just a thin smear of it, that is your choice. And I am going to spread this all the way to the crust. I'm not cutting the crust off. I'm just going to cut these into wedges. So there it is. So here are my 2 slices. Now I'm just going to layer on the cucumber. I wonder if I can shimmy in just a small piece there. I kind of sort of made it stacked a little bit on each other. You can do like little flat pieces. That's just a preference. Now I'm just going to add my chopped fresh dill right on top. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to salt the buttered side. Just a little. I have some fine sea salt. And just kind of give it a little pinch of salt. It'll stick to the butter. And if you season the cucumbers, especially if it's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes before you serve this, the cucumbers will start to release the moisture into your sandwich. So this is why I like to pinch the salt on the buttered side. Of course it's going to touch the cucumber, but at least it's not directly on it. So now you just close up your sandwich. And actually this is sort of like a rectangular shape, so I probably could just kind of cut little fingers if you want to do, you know, it's up to you. So here's how I sliced it. This is what the whole slice looks like, and I kind of just cut 4 wedges out of this one sandwich. And I think this looks perfect. So here are my cucumber sandwiches, and we are about to have some tea with sandwiches and scones. Be sure to look for the link to these scones in the description. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.